In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI features in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an AI power-up to a Trello board so it can help with drafting content, summarizing information, and keeping you notified without changing how you already organize your work. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is the central hub that lists every board you have access to. Pick the board you want to enhance with AI. Choosing a single board is helpful because power-ups are enabled per board, and it keeps things tidy as you test features before rolling them out more widely. Once your board is open, look for the power-ups option in the board header or menu. Power-ups are Trello's way of adding extra capabilities. If you don't see the option right away, it may be nested under the board menu or the three-dot menu depending on your layout. Also, keep in mind you might need admin permission on the board to add new power-ups. Click Add Power-Ups to open the directory. This is Trello's marketplace where you can discover and install integrations. The search bar at the top is your quickest shortcut. Type in ABO, ChatGPT with your boards and notifications. Using the exact name helps you find the right tool quickly. Before adding anything from the directory, it's a good idea to skim the description, check reviews, and note any usage limits or pricing details, especially if you're on a free plan. When you see the listing, click Add. Trello may show a brief confirmation window to explain what the power-up can access and how it integrates. Review that, then click Add again to confirm and enable it on your board. That second confirmation is what completes the installation. After it's enabled, the AI features are now available from your board. You'll typically find the power-up in your board's toolbar or within card views. From here, you can use it to accelerate writing tasks like card descriptions, generate checklists or ideas, and even get quick summaries or notifications that keep your team aligned. It's a smart way to reduce busy work while staying inside Trello. A few quick tips as you start using it. Avoid sharing confidential information in prompts. Only use content you're comfortable sending to third-party services. If you're part of a larger workspace, check with an admin about any governance or billing settings. And if you ever want to review or manage the integration, return to the same power-ups area on the board. That's it. Your Trello board now has AI assistants ready to help you move faster and stay organized.